Easton think he's fly. He don't know what he's doing. I had to give him some lessons. Home videos. He said, don't climb in the boat. Now you got to just sit there. Oh, God. Let me get this on tape.
Oh. Mono flip. Get on it. Grab that. Grab that.
Easton, you don't know.
You happy now? I'm all yes, man.
What scene? Look at me. It's funny. What scene?
Yeah.
Alright, if you want to just grab with both hands, grab my kayak. Leave that. Leave that.
Leave it here?
Yeah. If you want to swim back to the dock, that's fine. I can tow you in.
Everybody come back.
It's your call. I'll get the kayak later.
What's your name?
Oh, no, the camera. You're going to break the camera. Your watch, is it okay? You need...
Whoa, 1 second. 1 second.
Oh, wait, give...
My keys. Keys to the car. Here, hold it.
Look at the people laughing at you. I gotta take the people faces.
Happy now.
This is way better than Atlantic City.
Huh?
On the elevator, I have something... Woo, this is...
Where are you going? Well, you go right to that now.
Wait. Let me get the boat. Here's Bubba's boat. Wasim, what do you have to say? You see, he should have rode on the dock with us, right, Wasim? Next time he has to ride with us because he don't know how. Oh, now he wants to show that he knows how to swim. Oh, come on.